In this video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering issues in Google Chrome, especially when browsing or watching YouTube. If you find this helpful, feel free to subscribe and give the video a like. Screen flickering can be really annoying when you're just trying to use your browser, so here are a few fixes you can try. Start by clicking the three dots at the top right of Chrome and opening the Settings menu. In the search bar, type Acceleration, then find the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. After that, relaunch Chrome. Next, go to the address bar and type Chrome://flags, then use the search box to look for GPU or graphics. Change the graphics setting from default to D3D9. Restart Chrome and see if the issue is resolved. If not, go back to the same setting and try selecting D3D11 Warp instead, then restart Chrome again. Hopefully one of these options fixes the flickering problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips.